Today, we are the management team of Icebox Logistic Inc. operating under our brand name Track Solution. Icebox Logistic Inc. is a Manila-based cold chain logistic company providing refrigerated transport and storage for perishable goods nationwide. We specialize in temperature-controlled warehousing, cold storage rental, refer to the van transport, and safe handling of frozen and chilled products. Our vision is to be the leading cold chain logistic provider in the Philippines, ensuring safe and quality food distribution nationwide. Our mission is to deliver reliable temperature-controlled logistics solution while strictly complying with food safety laws and international standards. As part of our ISO 20000 certification, we aligned our operation with Philippines National Standard Bureau of Agriculture and Fisheries Standards or PhilGAP. Republic Act of 10611, Food Safety Act of 2013, Presidential Decree 856 Sanitation Code of the Philippines, Administrative Order 153, Series of 2004, Good Manufacturing Practices Healthcare Protection Program Principles, environmental laws such as RA 9003, Ecological Solid Waste Management. Our company follows our preventive risk-based approach consistent with Healthcare Protection Program and ISO 22000 requirements to ensure food safety of every stage of storage and transport.
Food safety operations at Icebox Logistics Incorporation. Food safety begins with strict operational controls. First, pest control measures. We implement a licensed pest control program with monthly inspections and documented monitoring. This complies with PD 856 Sanitation Code, Chapter 16 on sanitary facilities, and supports HACCP's preventive control measures. Second, food safety parameters. We maintain temperature monitoring systems. In frozen goods, negative 18 degrees Celsius or below. In chilled goods, 0 to 5 degrees Celsius. Temperature logs are recorded every 4 hours. This follows Food Safety Act of 2013 Section 12, which mandates food safety controls across the supply chain. Third, construction and layout of storage houses. Our warehouses are designed with separate zones for frozen and chilled goods, non-absorbent flooring, proper drainage and ventilation. This complies with AO 153 series of 2004 GMP requirements on plant construction and design. And lastly, equipment maintenance. All refrigeration units undergo preventive maintenance monthly. Calibration of thermometers is done quarterly. This aligns with HACCP Principle 6 verification procedures.
Hygiene, sanitation, and inventory control. All employees undergo food safety trainings and medical examination annually. We enforce hairnets, gloves, face masks, and safety boots, and also proper hand washing procedures. This complies with AO 153 series of 2004 personal hygiene requirements and PD 856. So for organization of materials purchase, we follow the first in, first out or FIFO system. Suppliers must be PhilGAP certified or compliant with PNS standards. Suppliers accreditations ensures traceability in accordance with RA 10611, Section 17, traceability requirements. Cold storage areas are cleaned daily, deep sanitation, and conducted weekly using food-grade disinfectants. This complies with GMP sanitation requirements and supports HACCP Principle Number 4 monitoring procedures. Next is product information. All products are labeled with supplier name, production date, expiry date, and storage requirements. This ensures traceability under the Food Safety Act of 2013. Maintenance of utilities. Our electrical systems and backup generators are inspected weekly to prevent temperature fluctuations. Water used for cleaning meets potable standards under PD 856. Storage procedures. Products are stored at required temperature zones 6 inches above floor level with adequate spacing for airflow. This practice follow GMP requirements under AO 153 series of 2004 and HACCP hazard prevention principles. And lastly is waste disposal. Spoiled products are documented and disposed of according to RA 9003 Ecological Solid Waste Management Act. We practice waste segregation, biodegradable, recyclable, and hazardous waste.
Good evening, everyone, especially to my Legasor. In conclusion, Icebox Logistics Inc., through our brand ChillTrack solution, proudly demonstrates our full commitment to food safety regulatory compliance and ISO 22 standards. As a cold chain logistic company, we understand that maintaining the safety and quality of food is seriously responsibility. That is why we strictly follow and integrate important system and regulations such as HACCP principles, which helps us identify and control possible hazards in every stage of our operation. We also comply with the Philippine food safety laws, including the Food Safety Act of 2013, ensuring that our processes meet national standards. In addition, we implement good manufacturing practices of GMP, which guide us in maintaining proper handling, storage, and cleanliness in our facility. Furthermore, we follow the Sanitation Code of Philippines, which ensures that our environment, equipment, and personnel meet the highest hygiene standard. By combining all these practices, we are able to ensure that every product entrusted to us is properly handled, safely stored, and transported under the right condition. Ultimately, our goal is to preserve food quality and protection public health from farm to table. Thank you.